All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. You can see right here, 40 by 60, 16-foot tall building. You can see a 12 by 16 lean-to porch. And then in this video, I'm gonna talk to you about a few different features here. You can see the crew actually started on Tuesday. Today's Thursday as they film. So this is actually gonna be a 3-day build. They'll finish up about 3 o'clock today. So this is an experienced crew. Obviously they have the equipment and so forth, but let's take a look at a few details of this building. You can see right here on this gable side what they're doing there. Three higher windows and then the 2 windows over there. But let's take a look here. I want to show you as we go inside the building here how this porch is constructed. You can see right here, these are mono trusses that are coming right off the building here. You can see how we attach those right there. See the construction. Let me get that so you guys can see that right there, how we do that. But I want to show you, we use actually a little bit higher quality door right here. You can see obviously they got wainscot to put on, but this is right here as I go into this door. I show you the door. You probably can see right here this door. A little bit nicer door. A lot of these pole barns that you see, boy, they have some El Cheapo doors. Nothing wrong with that, depending on your budget, but I tell you what, if you want longevity of your building, you may want to consider a little bit better door. So this is actually, you can see right here, a masonite door. You can see the thickness of it, because there's nothing worse than having a building and then the door rust out. But right here, again, this building, obviously a 40-foot span. Owner decided on 3 ply laminated columns under the advice, obviously, of our salesperson. But you can see right here, we talked about this in previous videos, but pressure point right here, pressure point there, and then also a pressure point there as well. And what this is versus a 4x6, 6x6 treated post, probably not the greatest application for this building, depending on, because of the 40 by 60. What it does, it provides you a very true, and there's gonna be no warping, twisting, very true piece of lumber that's obviously laminated together. All right. And then you're probably asking why the 2x6, and a lot of you probably know, but we always want feedback, comments. Leave your comment, question. But why a 2x6 right here? You can see 2x4 sidewall girts. Obviously that's the baseboard. The sidewall girts, let me step back just a second so you can see this a little bit, but yeah, you see that? You can see that a little bit better right there. 2x4 sidewall girts as I take it up there. But the 2x6, we put that 2x6 on there. Right there, it allows the guys obviously to tack in the wainscot. It's a thicker board right there. It allows the application of the wainscot to be better. So you can see obviously, building right here, it's got Housewrap on it. Again, Housewrap for a fractional cost. We definitely recommend it. It definitely keeps the building airtight, keeps the moisture out of the building. And then you can see on this building as well, you see this building as well, Dripstop. Now the Dripstop's gonna, you have options obviously when you're doing your roof condensation control, but the Dripstop, this is gonna prevent the sweating of the building in different climates of the year. So you know, we've seen it before with vapor barrier and then also Dripstop as well. And then 4-foot on center truss spacing. And we like to do our buildings like that. You can see there, when we put it there on the double top beam, you can see there, we call that a double top beam. The trusses are set on that. And again, the guy's got to come back, obviously put purlin bracing and then the hurricane ties on this up there. But we space it 4 feet apart. We think it makes the building a little bit stronger. I know there's a lot of builders out there who want to do 8, 9, 10, 11 feet. I mean, engineering, you can design it that way. You can design a lot of things and make it code compliant. The problem with that is you're saving on lumber. You're not using as much lumber. When you do that, again, you're compromising the integrity of the building, in our opinion. So they'll come back and put the hurricane ties on that, but that's a double top beam truss care right there, where the 4-foot on center trusses are placed. So, just a couple things I wanted to add here. As we go here, and obviously guys, we don't want to hold these guys up, but. And then for more information, you can visit atticalumber.com. Keep following the journey. Attica Lumber. Since 1925.